Okay, cold start. Windows are down. The hood is up so you can hear things. Key on. Let me tap the brake. It's cold. We haven't driven it in 3 days.